For the best part of 1 month, Ozop Energy was trading below all of its short and intermediate trend lines. You can see that from sometime in early March down to sometime in by the 20th of April. So it is doing that now. It has now dipped below all of those short and intermediate trend lines. Market cap currently stands at $467.5 million. And the news is that Ozop Energy places orders for $1.5 million of inventory for Ozop West. And it went on to say Ozop is happy to announce that its new sales division under Ozop Energy Systems has placed orders for $1.5 million in inventory for its West Coast warehouse. With this new 1.5 million orders, Ozop West predicts a $32 million annual run rate by end of 2021. And as Ozop Energy begins to build inventory to serve its growing client base that can generate between $2.5 to $3 million in monthly sales by year end, Ozop West has placed an order for more than $1.5 million in inventory that includes but not limited to solar panels, inverters, optimizers, and racking. As of the end of the day on Wednesday, May 5th, 75% of that inventory has already been earmarked to clients, stated Brian Conway, CEO of Ozop Energy Systems. And he went on to say, we expect to hire additional experienced personnel, including salespeople and support staff, by the end of next week to support this monumental effort. So that's the news there. We can see that some of the oscillators, the RSI is sloping downwards. The price rate of change is looking flat. The slope of the unbalanced volume indicator is not exactly positive. MACD MACD histogram above zero and rising. 14 period slow stochastic oscillators waning. MACD is slightly above the signal line, and yeah, for some reason that it's the MACD is above the signal line, or they have just converged, I think. Okay, because the stock itself is trading below, trading below the short-term trend line clearly, and Ozop appears to be consolidating within a longer-term uptrend. The average directional index is below 20, indicating shares that have traded sideways recently. However, the 200-day moving average is still sloping bullishly upwards, but it's lagging the S&P 500. Momentum is strongly bearish. The 14 period slow stochastic oscillator is falling as investors sell shares and drive the price lower. The volume for the session of the 6th of May 2021 was lighter than usual, trading 53.944 million shares versus an average of 132 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator shows that longer term selling pressure has given way to near term accumulation by traders. So there's a good chance that this consolidation has caused some of the market participants to begin to take up shares. But at the same time as well, we can see that this retracement they had 12.48% on light volume on below average might spell that, or rather might signify or indicate that it might continue. You might in the coming sessions there might still be more retracements. What it simply means is that if it retraced on that sort of figure, on that sort of double digits, and it's on light volume, it indicates, amongst other things, that more and more, or rather not everybody participated in that retracement. So if there are still skeptics there, they might continue to take money off the table, take money off the stock. So that's how to look at it, amongst other things. So, but clearly we can see that in the very short and intermediate term or intermediate period, the stock has retraced much more comfortably now, and it is trading at a discount to all of those short-term trend lines. The signals are very much bearish, but at the same time, because they are bearish now, the opportunity is there to do the opposite. Take advantage of the lackluster interest, and start buying. It's trading at a discount now, dipping down below those short-term trend lines. The opportunity to buy is improving. So we can evidently see that the selling pressure has given way to accumulation. So more and more participants gradually are beginning to pick up shares in Ozop. So that's just to some extent some validation that the opportunity is improving and improving. The buying opportunity, the buying window is opening up. It has opened up very well now, and if it continues to retrace, it will improve further. So easily, technically, the buying opportunity is improving, but the issue is that Ozop has a history of being not so wholesome, and so people who have been involved in the stock, can attest to that. So I'm only reporting what people have been saying. I don't exactly know the absolute facts, but this is what people have been saying. So they're not. It's not exactly the most wholesome of companies as such. So if you feel comfortable, it's up to you. The opportunity is there to buy. It's improving. It's just opened up with this retracement. So you decide what you want to do. Okay. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share if you're already a subscriber. Thank you very much for watching this video.